Hello, I'm Russ from RT Sales. This is our AMC K-2000, an old machine, but a very solid and good machine. This machine has been completely gone through, reconditioned. We've ground the tabletop. This machine will grind up to an 80-inch crankshaft. Also has roll grinding attachments. As you can see, the machine's been thoroughly gone through. The table has been ground. We've test ground on it, confirm the head and tail stock alignment. This machine is available. If you have any questions, feel free to call Russ at RT Sales, 248-887-0422.